Look at it! Yes! I'm so happy. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel to another video. My new bike. She's an absolute tiger. I'm so happy. It just makes me happy looking at it. Look at it! So this is a 2018 Harley Davidson XG Streetrod 750. She's got the Revolution X V twin engine. And she's an absolute honey. I don't even want to talk, I just want to get it on ride. Let me just do the fob. This is a nightmare. Ha! Are we ready? The Vance & Hines already fitted. No baffle, obviously. Mr. Vincent, you will like this. That's like quarter rev, I'm not even giving it. Beanbags. Oh god. Right, no more dilly dally, let's go. Yes, look at me. Oh look, straight into a bridge. Oh look, a second bridge. This definitely wasn't planned. Before any of you Harley enthusiasts go in on me, oh, it's not a real Harley, it's made in India, rah, 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 spooted. Who cares? When it sounds as good as this, looks as cool as it does, and it has the Harley name on the side, so I don't really care, you can go and... Matching on the downshift is pretty insane. And most cars just move out your way as well. It's just so easy to nip round everyone. It's such an easy bike to ride. Oh, the hills are alive with the sound of... I reckon when it says green, let's pin it. This thing is funny! Just listen to it! Oh my god, it's so funny. The bike in general is pretty basic with tech. It's obviously got ABS. Speedo is pretty basic, it's all analog. You've got one button which does the trip. It's got an electronic rev counter, which is bizarre. I kind of like it the other way around, like it's on my Versys where you got the electronic speedo and then the analog revs. But I guess they are American, so they do things backwards over there. It's only got a 13 litre tank. Did a little test on it the other day, filled it up and set the trip computer to 0, and I got 118 miles before the fuel light come on. Now I don't know how much fuel you get on the reserve or, you know, after the light, because every bike's different, but online it reckons 160 in total. I think that's rubbish. Might have been the way that I've been riding. Obviously with this exhaust and how it rides, you just want to pin it everywhere and make loads of noise. So it could have been that it's just the way I was riding, or it could be that American figures are different to British figures. the wrong figures. I had a look at it online. I wasn't too sure what to expect from the Vance & Hines exhausts. They all go for Vance & Hines, so there's obviously a reason for that. And I thought, oh, it'll be alright, it'll come with a baffle, it won't be too loud. Oh. No, I was wrong. No baffle included, apparently. So if I get pulled over by the police, it is a case of, no, I bought it like this, officer. I bought this one online, completely blind, obviously through photos, never rode it, got it delivered, and within 5 minutes of riding it, I was hooked. I made the right choice. I love it. It's silly loud, it's fast. I always thought, you know, people always say Harleys aren't fast. I mean, this is supposedly one of their sportster bikes, I suppose. It is not slow. Overall, it's just a wicked little bike. Everything about it just feels good. The brakes are good. I cannot get over that downshift. Even the tyres that come with it, Michelin do their own model for this model bike. And they're actually quite good. Here she is, guys. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. If you're interested in seeing more of this bike and what's to come on the channel, hit subscribe. It'd be amazing if you could, and follow me on this journey of motorcycles. Give it a little thumbs up if you can. Hopefully. I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao for now.